1. SelectaDNA, the ultimate theft deterrent. SelectaDNA isn't just a deterrent, it's a game-changer in the fight against theft and robbery. With its special compound that lingers on offenders for weeks, identifying criminals has never been easier. Criminals think twice before targeting locations marked with SelectaDNA, making it a vital tool for businesses and law enforcement agencies worldwide. 2. VirTra Simulator, real-life training for police officers. Step into the shoes of a police officer with the VirTra Simulator. From de-escalation techniques to high-pressure scenarios, officers experience it all in a virtual environment, with outcomes based on real events and rewards for top performers. The VirTra Simulator prepares officers for the challenges they face on the streets. 3. Leith Smart Patrol, the futuristic police SUV. The Leith Smart Patrol isn't just a vehicle, it's a technological marvel. With features like facial recognition and a drone compartment, it's like something out of a sci-fi movie. And with its powerful engine and sleek design, it's no wonder the UAE police have invested in 400 units of this cutting-edge SUV. 4. Guardian HX, precision tracking for law enforcement. Track suspects with unmatched precision using Guardian HX. This compact system allows officers to deploy trackers safely from a distance, ensuring suspects can be apprehended quickly and safely. With its laser sight and advanced features, Guardian HX is a game-changer in the world of law enforcement. 5. Prod 360 Smart Canine Supervision, next-level canine technology. Enhance canine units with Prod 360 Smart Canine Supervision. Handlers can now receive real-time images and sounds of their dog's routes, improving communication and coordination in the field. With customizable options and long-lasting battery life, this system takes canine technology to new heights. 6. Core Performance Ice Plate Tanks, cooling solutions for law enforcement. Stay cool under pressure with Core Performance Ice Plate Tanks. These innovative tanks provide hours of cooling relief for officers wearing bulletproof vests, ensuring they can perform at their best in any climate. And with additional products like ventilation pads, Core Performance has all your cooling needs covered. 7. ScanForce Gloves by Prod 360, advanced metal detection. Equip officers with ScanForce Gloves by Prod 360 and give them the power to detect even the smallest objects. With discrete metal detection capabilities and impressive battery life, these gloves are a must-have for law enforcement professionals. Stay one step ahead with ScanForce Gloves. 8. Vessel Arrest Systems, halting boats in their tracks. Stop boats in their tracks with vessel arrest systems. These floating barriers attach to propellers, bringing boats to a halt and preventing unauthorized access to waterways. Approved by the UK Home Office and adhering to international standards, vessel arrest systems are the ultimate solution for safeguarding maritime security. 9. Motorola Police Radios, advanced communication for law enforcement. Communicate with confidence using Motorola Police Radios, with features like Vicky Assistant for license and plate checks and AES 256-bit encryption for data security. These radios ensure reliable communication in any situation. Stay connected and stay safe with Motorola Police Radios.